Yes, if we are desiring to speaking in English, I can say we don't ever become so much fluent in English at once or within a week or uh, within a month. This is really need time. For that purpose, we need to start step by step. The first step is that what we need to learn some basic and fundamental grammar points. I am not telling you that you must learn from basic to advanced grammar. I am just telling you that at least have basic fundamental grammar points like uh, uh, tenses and models and verbs. Tenses, models, and verbs. If you have these things with yours, you can easily consider that you can really speak English. Without knowing these things, without knowing these fundamental things, you can't ever become so much fluent in English. So better that uh, start to learning English with these uh, things. Okay. Second step is that you just immerse yourself in English daily. Immerse yourself in English each day. Yes, you listen to podcasts and listen to music and listen to audiobooks and listen and watch TV shows and murmuring the words, which words do they pronounce with them. All those things you need to mimic with yours. Throughout that only you can immerse yourself. Not bother at what place you are staying, not bother where you are living in. The matter is only one thing: how much input do you consume in a day? How much you are immersing yourself in English? These are matter. Even being a housewife, I could really immerse myself where I will be cooking. That time also I am murmuring with myself. I will be indulging with myself as much as I possible. If I can do, then why you can't do? You can also definitely do. Well, third step is that read extensively. Yes, throughout reading, we can definitely level up our communication skill. You can easily attain fluency of English throughout reading. You just at least try to read 4 to 5 pages book in each day. In each day. Okay, I'm not able to cover all the book, all whole book at a once, but I fix it in my mind that if I can able to read, I can definitely read 5 pages in a day. If it is not happened, I show that I must read 3 pages every single day. I am okay with that. I am perfectly alright with that. I am always do that thing without giving up myself. Even if I am cooking, I keep my uh, books with me. Then I just read and I can manage both things at once. Likewise, you can definitely do. If you are not able to interested to read the books, you can go and download audio of the book. For example, I have purchased the Power of Discipline book. When I eventually don't get a specific time, that is time I go YouTube and play play the audio of the Power of Discipline book. It will be playing with itself. I will be doing my own work. I can manage both things. You can also do this thing. Next, practice regularly. Yes, you can definitely practice with a partner. You have lot of applications on your Play Store. You go and download it. For example, S Fluency application. All of aware of this. Everyone is using this. You just go and download it and make a group and practice towards this. If you are not comfortable with the group, you just do that what you just find a partner on YouTube. There are so many English speakers on YouTube. Go and find out and speak to them and expose yourself as much as possible. If you still not comfortable with that person, you just stand up in mirror and practicing, and you just implementing those words. That's all you are. That is the thing you all need to do. Well, next, the fifth step is that don't be afraid to make mistakes. Yes, if I am speaking so much fluent in English, I have done lot of mistakes. Throughout doing mistakes only, I could be stand up and sharing those information with you all without doing any kind of mistakes. How can you all expecting me to be here? No, never ever possible. Without doing mistakes, nobody is there that be perfect in this life. So that you just embrace your errors and be who you are and indulge yourself, immerse yourself with a positive affirmation. You just stay with a person who oftenly motivates you. If no one is with you motivates, you just download motivation videos, and once you fail, you just go back and play that and listen and again renewed with that motivation. You will definitely come back with that. Thank you so much for all watching this video.